Where have you been so long?
Dolly, Panda, Barry's zombie.
Yeah, we're Dolly and Panda. Oh, here you are. Wait, I'll take the camera. Yeah, keep playing.
Watch out! Open, please! Open, please!
Oh, again, those kids. Now, tell me what's going on here.
We were hungry, but Doggy ate all the food, and then we saw a berry bush. Dolly and Panda ate the berries and became zombies.
Were those the purple berries?
Yes!
Now we need to feed them the orange ones to make them normal.
Dolly, dinner time. Oh? Oh, Dolly has lost.
I'll call Johnny the officer.
Look, we need this orange berry to cook a potion.
I see them! The orange berries! Oh, but Dolly and Panda are walking around there.
We need to think of something. Come on, jump! No, slide down! Jump now! Aww. Okay, now it's my turn. No, mine! You lose, it's mine! Panda, you lost. Give Tommy the phone.
I see, you're having fun here.
No, Panda doesn't want to share the phone. Because it's mine. No, mine.
Enough. What if I give you something you can play all together?
Thanks, but... That was creepy. And this looks creepy, too. Anyway, it's all that we have now. The batteries run out. Okay, we have a game field, some action figures, and a strange plastic castle? Flock, I think? Who will read the rules? I will. Okay. Hey, why are you first again? The rules say that the middle player goes first. Hey, why did you move your figure that far? The rules say that if you rolled a 2, you're moving for 10 steps forward. No, you're cheating again. Give me the book. Okay, I'm done with this drama. Give our cookies back. I can't. The cookies are under lock and key. So, Monkey stole the key. It's unbearable. I think we need Johnny the officer.
So, what's the problem?
Look.
Maybe it's better to call for backup.
No time for backup. We need our stuff now.
Okay, sirs. Mr. Monkey, sir.
useless, like always. And what should we do now? I think I have an idea. Are you sure that it will work? It will work. I'm not Tommy the Monkey Fighter. You mean Tommy the Cookie Stealer? Never mind. Better help me move the box.
Thank you, kids.
Now to the cookies. Doggy!
cry. You are both so nice and kind. Don't be jealous, kid. It will only make you sad.
5 little ghosts went out the cave, over the hill and far away. But little ghostbusters catch them in a bag, and only 4 little ghosts came back. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 little ghosts went out the cave, over the hill and far away. But little ghostbusters catch them in a bag, and only 3 little ghosts came back. 1, 2, 3. 3 little ghosts went out the cave, over the hill and far away. But little ghostbusters catch them in a bag, and only 2 little ghosts came back. 1, 2. 2 little ghosts went out the cave, over the hill and far away. But little ghostbusters catch them in a bag, and only 1 little ghost came back. 1. 1 little ghost went out the cave, over the hill and far away. But little ghostbusters catch them in a bag, and none of the ghosts came back. Dolly and Tommy came back to the cave, over the hill and far away. Dolly and Tommy opened the bag, and all of the 5 little ghosts came back.